Hello guys, so I don't want to waste your precious time by giving you motivation, so let's just get on with it. So all you have to do is open Fiverr app, or else you can visit it from your desktop computer, whatever. So all you have to do is search for YouTube Weaves, okay, on the Fiverr search bar. Just type YouTube Weaves, okay, so you get to pick a category. So just pick video marketing, okay. Just type search YouTube Weaves and then click out of the categories, select video marketing, okay. Then you get to see number of gigs, okay, gigs ranked. So here what happens, basically what happens is you need to create a Fiverr gig, okay, Fiverr gig that offers real YouTube Weaves. That's the service you are providing, okay. First you need to understand, like, you need to learn how to create a proper Fiverr gig. So there are several methods that you need to learn when doing SEO for your gig. So you need to definitely go to my description, this video description, and I've put a link. You need to go through it. You definitely need to go through it. So there in that video he has explained how to SEO a gig, okay, how to rank a gig, how to create a gig properly. So you have to follow every tip, follow every step very carefully, okay. Otherwise your videos, your gigs won't get ranked. So you need to first go through that video and learn how to rank your gig. So basically, so here what happens is you're offering YouTube Weaves. So how are you gonna get the YouTube Weaves? Okay, once a customer places the order, you need to somehow give him what you're promising him. So you need to find a way to get YouTube Weaves, okay. So it's very easy, don't worry. All you have to do is go to your go to your browser and go to videosgrow.com. I'm anyway gonna put the link in my description as well. So all you have to do is go to the site, and here you can see lots of options. 500 YouTube Weaves for 49, okay, 1000 for 649. So you can just when creating the Fiverr gig, you can create your packages based on these numbers. There are also other sites that give YouTube Weaves, but out of those I think this is the best, so I recommend this. So you can adjust the pricing according to you can put a profit margin, and you can adjust your pricing according to these numbers. These might change in future, so just go to the site and make sure everything's okay. So you just have to put a profit margin and publish the gig. That's it. When someone places the order, you can go to the package, and you just have to paste the link and your email, select, and just pay it from your card. That's it. Then within a few hours it will start to load. So once it's completed, you can deliver the gig on Fiverr. So but the most important thing here is you should know how to rank a gig. You should have to create a gig properly. So you definitely need to go to my description and watch that video. That's the most important thing out of this. So yeah, thanks.